Before starting 2019, we lived our life in a blissful manner with our loved ones. After December 2019, we lived our life in a dreadful manner with our loved ones because of one of the unknown disease which has been outbreak in the world that causing a pandemic situation. So friends, we will try to understand about the disease which is causing the pandemic situation. For more educational videos and unknown facts or scientific facts, please stay tuned to our channel, that is Learn with Chief. First of all, what is the disease that is causing the world in pandemic situation? We know that disease that is called coronavirus disease. What is coronavirus? Coronavirus are the family of RNA virus which may cause illness in humans and animals. In humans, SARS-CoV-2 is a virus which is affecting the COVID disease. It primarily affects your throat and it also affects the lungs. Naming of coronavirus. The coronavirus is named after a Latin word called as crown. The name of coronavirus coined by June Almeida and David Tyrrell. These scientists who firstly observed the coronavirus and studied deeply on it. Naming of COVID-19. COVID-19. COV stands for corona, VI stands for virus, and D stands for disease. -19 is for it is representing that it is recorded in the year of 2019. So they have kept the year after the name. The virus which is causing the coronavirus is called as SARS-CoV-2. SARS means severe acute respiratory syndrome. What is meant by novel? Let's find it out. Novel meaning here is that the virus has been not recorded previously and it has been recorded in the year called December 2019. The first COVID case reported in world. The first human COVID case was recorded on December 2019. It was firstly observed in the city called Wuhan, and it is there in the China country. The first case of COVID-19 recorded in India. The first case of COVID-19 recorded in India in a place called Thrissur in the Kerala. On 2020, January 27, a medical student who has been practiced in the Wuhan city has been recorded COVID-19 first. She has a sore throat and dry cough. I will make a video of her and I will share with you the information in later videos. Types of COVID-19 that has been attacked our humans in previous years. Mainly it includes SARS-CoV-2 in 2003, HCoV-NL63 in 2003, HCoV-HKUN1 in 2004, MERS-CoV in 2013, and SARS-CoV-2 in 2019. This is the virus which we are fighting against it. So, friends, I will meet you in another session. Until then, stay safe, stay home, and keep mask. Peace.